Hey guys, welcome back to Otaku Niche. Today we have a unboxing, another figure unboxing, but let me tell you the story about this one. The only reason why I ordered this is because there's nothing else that was good that was on sale, because I needed, because I ordered my last figure because I had a bunch of Tom points saved up from a Tokyo Otaku Mode. And I wanted to use them up because I wasn't going to buy any more figures for quite a while because I have no more room for them, as I mentioned before. So I ordered my last figure from them for now. You know, who knows if I'll buy more figures in the future. But for right now, I don't plan to. I don't have no more room for them, so that's it. And for now, that's all I'm going to get. But when I ordered my figure from them, you know, I used my Tom point and everything, and I realized I was short to get free shipping from them. And yeah, that kind of sucks. I was like, man, I got to pay shipping, and shipping was like almost $12 or something like that. I was like, oh, that's expensive shipping. So I did the math. If I add another item, this was on sale. This is typically like $21, $25, whatever, you know, and so but it was on sale for $12 on the site. I was like looking through all the stuff on sale. This was a lot of stuff was out of stock, and this was one of the few things that were still in stock that was on sale. So like I did the math, and if I would have just bought my figure, paid the shipping and handling, I would have paid like $3-4 more in total. My overall total would have been $3-4 more versus buying this figure as an extra item, and then I saved $3, $4, whatever it was, plus I get the free shipping. It's like that money for the shipping went to this figure, basically. If that makes sense, right? So yeah, getting this was a much better deal. It's like buy the figure, pay shipping, or buy the figure, don't pay shipping, but use that money for the shipping for this instead. So I was like, okay, because I also had my my Tom points, and plus I think I had like a coupon as well. I forgot what it was. Was it a birthday coupon? It was some coupon to bring it down even cheaper. That's why it ended up being the better deal, just buying one more extra $12 figure that was on sale instead of paying like $12 for shipping. So it kind of like evened out to be a much better deal. So yeah, so we're gonna unbox this. So here we have the box. Here's the front. This is a Banpresto figure from SAO Leafa. Got this pretty cheap, like I said, $12.50. The other figure I ordered, I have two figures coming, one this year and one next year. The next one should be coming out really soon. These are just your basic price figures. So they don't come in the best packaging. She has a flat bottom here because this does not come with a stand. Let me put her head in place. That easy. It's that easy. This is all with her foot, you know, her foot detailed. Like I said, these are not high quality figures, so don't expect, you know, premium quality here. But Banpresto is pretty decent with their quality. For the price that you're getting, it's actually really good. Like I said, I only paid $12 for this, so this is really good for that price. It's kind of hard to hold her because she's just in a pose and there's no. Let me see. It's flat right here. Flat, just so she can be placed down. This has a really nice texture to it. They do a good job with the paint quality though, but it's just the figure itself, the plastic mold is just very. You can tell it's not. You can tell it's cheap, but it does look like a nice figure. Like on display, people aren't gonna know this. Her bracelet. Necklace. Her cleavage. See a little bit of her belly. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, you see a little bit of her belly. You just see a lot of leg, and she just sits flat. Her face is pretty good though. She has a nice face expression. There's a bit of smudges on it, I think. It's just dirty, a little bit dirty. You could probably clean it. But she has a really nice pose. Now I'm going to show some B-roll footage, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this short video. It's not much, just because there isn't much to look at. It's pretty plain, really simple little figure. Cheap, inexpensive, you know. And for anyone who who don't really care about premium figures because they're too much money, you know, this is good alternatives. I know Good Smile are doing a really good job with their figures. They're around $40 figures that they're releasing. Like their Pop Parade, I believe they're calling them, right? Those are actually really good. Like I actually did get one of them, and that's that Miku one, just because I wanted to try out their quality, you know, to see if they're cool. They're actually pretty cool. They're actually the best, cheapest, you know, figures you can buy. Of course, you know, they're $40 compared to this one. It's like, you know, these are usually around $20, $25 around there. But this compared to that, that's tough, because that's very tough, because this is pretty close. But I think the other one, like from Good Smile, is probably better. You're paying more, but you are getting a little bit better figure quality overall. So far, I only got that Miku one, so can't really say for sure if the rest, it just varies, or the other figures from the Parade Pop are better. But yeah, that's been it. So let me just end this video with some B-roll footage. You guys can take a closer look. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time, because we should have another figure unboxing really soon. And that one's a very high premium figure, also from Sword Art Online as well. So I have that coming out. And once I can receive it, I should be receiving it soon. It's already shipped out, so whenever I receive it, within this month or next month, I should have it soon. Hopefully this month. And then my other channels, I'll be streaming more on there, and I do have more unboxing videos as well on that channel soon. Gaming related unboxing. But yeah, until next time guys, thank you for watching.